In the last 14 days, your boy's been able to generate over $2,500 in commission. Hold on, $5,000 in commission. I'm sorry. This is affiliate commissions while using AI to make the process way faster and easier than it's ever been. No ads, no complicated funnels, no followers, just content, simple systems, and the right offers. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start affiliate marketing using AI this year, along with me making over $500,000 in commissions and sales with affiliate products online. I've also been learning in a private mastermind from people like Sarah Finance, who are doing 20 and 30K months with their eyes closed on accident. Oh, excuse me. I just made $20,000 to $30,000. That's how accidentally they do it. And working with her, what I've realized is that AI didn't replace this model. It actually made it way easier, 10 times easier to execute. I've personally been doing this on YouTube, posting once per week consistently. Well, kind of, but AI has now made that so much more easier for me. And now, because of this mastermind I'm working with Sarah, I'm using AI to post on platforms such as Threads on a consistent basis. And TikTok. If you haven't been following me on those platforms, go ahead, check in the description. I got something for you. So here's what I'm about to show you. I'm about to break down how affiliate marketing works, how to use AI in order to create your content a lot faster, because we're using free methods here mainly, and how to earn high ticket commissions with a proven system that actually works. I'm talking commissions like $500 and $1,000 commissions in your pocket. If you don't know who I am already, my name is Antonio X Carter. Like I told you, I've been able to generate over $500,000 in commissions and sales using online methods, mainly free and organic methods. And I'm exposing the truth to all of you guys because the gurus is gatekeeping. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button if this is your jam. If you've made it thus far, in the comments, type AI because I want to know that you are watching. Stay tuned with me all the way to the end. Check this out. Affiliate marketing, regardless of what you've experienced or what somebody's told you, is very simple. In today's time, one of the best and easiest ways to find success is that you create your content. The content builds trust, much like this video right now with me. And then you recommend the products that solves the viewer's problems. You're not selling, you're a problem solver. I bet you that right there will cost $1,000 in somebody's mastermind. When somebody buys through your affiliate link, you get paid. But here's where most people get things wrong. Most beginners will promote low ticket offers and make $10 to $20, which is not bad. It's actually really good, especially if there's an ascension ladder, right? Upsells, downsells, and such. But what changed everything for me as I refocused to something called MRR, this is something for me that is a high ticket commission. It's becoming more of a popular term, but everybody still hasn't caught on to it. If I'm able to sell something that is high ticket for $500 or $1,000, I don't have to sell thousands of units for 20 and 40 bucks, or maybe even $300, right? Now I can make one sale, 2 sales, 4 sales out of the month and make a full-time income, a living wage off of these affiliate commissions. This is exactly how I hit $5,000 in sales in 14 days. MRR, or master resale rights, allows you to take a product and a license and promote it. The product's already made. You just stick a price on it and you sell it for what it is. I've sold 2 at $2,500 in 14 days, and that's what brought in my $5,000 in commissions. Now let's talk about AI and how easy it is to use in your business. Step 1, instead of guessing what to post, I use ChatGPT. I use it for everything. I'll open up ChatGPT and I'll say, hey, give me 10 viral ideas about making money online and make this for beginners. So it will go through, it will do its thing. Now you instantly have consistent viral ideas that you didn't have to think of, and you don't have to procrastinate anymore. You can just take the action. I'm going to stop pointing at you. I'm sorry. Step number 2 is to use AI in order to write your scripts. This script right here that I'm talking to you about through the camera, I used a lot of this with an outline created by ChatGPT. So for example, and if we continue to go with where we are, if we continue to go from where we started, I will say, take one of those 10 ideas and let's create a script for a YouTube video. Make this video 3 to 5 minutes long. And guess what? It will do exactly that. After you read through it, you comb through it, you see if it looks good. If it looks good and it sounds good, you can say, hey, can we refine this part? Or I don't like this section. Maybe this doesn't sound like me. Can you rewrite it? And then it will do exactly that. It's too easy, right? So now step 3, we need to create the graphics for it. We need to go to Canva, which is also a free platform, extremely powerful. And you can create B-roll footage for that content. I go to Canva and I use their graphics along with what's called B-roll stock footage. I use this to create a lot of simple videos. And also this is what I do in order to help my students create simple videos. I create a lot of 7-second videos. What this does is it allows me to stay in front of my audience, just to stay consistent on my posting. And that way, once they view my other content, my longer videos, I have already warmed them up to who I am. The cool part about this is you don't even have to film your face. You can create a lot of random content that's faceless. This could be somebody else walking. This could be somebody swimming or driving a car. And then you just adding text on that video. After I've done all of this, I've posted the content. In my case, I put the video on YouTube. Now I can repurpose the content. I use a tool called repurpose.io, which once I post it on one platform, it will take the same exact video and post it on all the other platforms. In no other time in history has that been the case. I can also take one video, which I will do with this exact video. I will put it inside of another program like Opus, and it will turn a long form video of like 15 minutes into like 5 short videos. I can post these 5 videos on TikTok and Instagram or YouTube Shorts. I can then also take the transcript from that same video. I can post that inside of ChatGPT and say, can you make this into 5 days worth of content in threads? And it will do exactly that. All I got to do is copy and paste the transcript inside of ChatGPT and it will turn it into magic. 5 days worth of posts. All of this in a matter of probably maybe 5 minutes. It will even turn my content into Instagram Reels. The game's getting crazy. So now that I've given you like the steps, let me go ahead and give you my simple strategy. Let's keep this really simple, okay? I don't want you to get overwhelmed. If you're with me so far, down in the comments, type simple strategy. That lets me know that you made it this far. I create my video. That only takes a couple of seconds. I'll just say that takes a couple of minutes with the script and everything I will record. My goal is to upload at least one video per week. Ideally, that's generally on a Monday or a Thursday. I'm actually trying to work my way up to 2 times per week. YouTube is going to upload it. I will also repurpose those videos after I allow a software to chop it up. It will pick the best content, and then I'm able to upload that onto TikTok. I have repurpose.io taken the same content from TikTok and posted it on all of the other platforms for me. If I'm able to do this 1 time per week, my whole week is taken care of. Thus, I am being consistent, being in front of my audience, and making sales on a consistent basis. By the way, if you want to learn a lot of this stuff for free, I created an affiliate marketing starter kit for you. A lot of you are beginners or you're looking to get started in affiliate marketing. Maybe this method doesn't really tickle your fancy. Maybe there's something else. I do paid ads too. I just don't really teach it like that. But in order to get your feet wet, maybe you should download my free affiliate marketing toolkit. The link for that is down below in the description. Go ahead and download that. I'm going to hook you up. But if you want to learn the exact system that I use in order to generate $1,000 commissions, that link is also down below. There's a short little video that shows you how to make $4,000 to $20,000 in a month using this exact same system that I use in my business. I'm all about using things that are proven to work, all right? Which means it has to have a track record. That link is also down below. I highly recommend this product. Get access to $1,000 commissions, and you will be on your way to 10K months. It's step by step. There's a community involved. I'm involved in this community every single day, multiple times. And there's 7-figure marketers inside of there doing the teaching, the coaching, and the training. There's really no way that you can't win with this system if you're doing everything that you're supposed to be doing. All right, so I leave you with this. AI isn't replacing everything. It's making it easier for simple individuals like yourself and myself to take action. The action depends upon you. Start simple, stay consistent, and let AI do the heavy lifting. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button. If you guys got any questions, let me know down in the comments. I want to hit 10,000 subscribers, and I really want to help 100 of you get your first commission. Check out that recommended product. Watch the video to learn how to make $4,000 and $20,000 a month. Watch this video next because this is very important for your life and your journey online of creating a better lifestyle and putting more moolah in your pockets. We'll see you guys in the next video. See you later.